Hello everyone and welcome to Fallenblood, and today's video we're going to shoot with using Raycast system in Unity. I hope you like this video and just let's start. So here look, every scene is already set up here. I have a FPS controller from the standard assets and a gun from the model weapon pack. Everything link in the description. So now make sure your gun model is a child of the main camera. Now select the AK-47 or your gun. I'm just going to add the component and just create a new script. Create a script name gun script or anything. Just new script and create an add. Then open up. Now up here create a reference for our camera. Type cam. Then go to wide update. Type if input dot get button down. And type fire 1. This means left mouse button. Just I'm going to create a new function for it, and I'm going to call this function. Then call the function by pressing left mouse button. Then down here create a white. Shoot. Then type Raycast hit and hit. Then type if we give a condition here physics dot raycast and we type cam dot transform dot position and then cam dot transform dot forward and then type out hit. Now first thing we input the origin, then we put the direction, and just going to store this thing to it. Now type debug dot log to test we are actually shooting or not. Just type v hit and then plus hit dot transform dot name. Now if we save it, drag and drop the camera here. Now if we shoot here, we can look. The thing we shoot is going to put the name of this object, like we hit cube, we hit stairs, like that. So next step we're going to create some damage part for the gun. Now go to Visual Studio here. Just I have only one cube here. I have the health script, so you open up it. So you have an int variable health and a public function damage, which going to have one parameters amount, which is int, and just going to decrease health by amount, and if health is less than 0, it's going to destroy this object. Now go to the gun script here. Just create a variable called public int get gun damage. Then down here just type health, the reference for the health script, just name it health. Now we type hit dot transform dot get component. So we are going to take the component health. Then we check this if the object has health component or not. Health is not equal to null. So we're going to simply health dot damage give the gun damage. Now we're going to play this game and just go to AK-47 and set the damage to 10. So it's take 10 hits, 10 and to shoot this cube 10 times in order to destroy it. So going 1, if we select cube, so So if you have 90 now health, if you're 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and you're going to destroy this object. Now let's get some muzzle flags and impacts particle effects for our gun. So for muzzle flags, I'm going to use Unity's particle systems. So it's going to have many particle system, like for now I'm going to use flare one. Got it, everything that I need. Now if I open up flare one, so it look like something this. So I'm going to create two copy of this here. So I'm going to effect. So I'm going to change this to copy, and so it does not affect the any changes does not affect the original one. Now I'm going to drag and drop the flare particle to AK-47. Then make the transform to reset. Then drag and drop to muzzle of this. And then I'm going to delete this part from it and delete. Now, then I'm going to disable the looping and just going to decrease the 0.1 duration, and also for the smoke here looping and just increase the duration to 0.5, okay, 0.2. Then also I'm going to disable the play on awake. Now go to AK-47, open up it. Then I'm going to get a public particle system and name it muzzle flash. Then I'm going to type in muzzle flash dot flame, and then I'm going to drag and drop the flare to muzzle flash. Now to play this game, so when I shoot, is going to muzzle flash. Time to adding some impact effect for. Then we go to the standard assets, particle system, prefab, and this time to flare 2. Now open up the flare 2 here. Then just decrease, okay, plane of this, or leave the things as it is. Okay, just open up the gun script here, create a, this time going to use as a game object. There's impact effect, then type instantiate impact effect hit dot point. Then for rotation, we just put dot look rotation, type hit dot normal, and then save it. Drag and drop the flare 2. Now it's going to create an impact where we shoot the object. And then we also need to destroy them after some time. First we need to store this clone, some type game object, and this type effect, and this. And then here as game object, then type destroy effect comma, then I want to destroy this after 1 second. Now play this game and just shoot. It's going to destroy this motherfucker after 1 second. So now let's add the fire rate. Okay, let's go to the script back and get two variables. First is going to be float, and just type next time to sort, and get public variable called float and just name it fire rate. Then go in update function and just here type and time is going to greater than or equal to next time to sort, and then we add next time is going to be time add by 1 as divided by fire rate. Then we save this script and create the fire rate something 15 and just going to play this game now. Now look, I'm going to shoot with some intervals of a time.